The Research Center of UM6P Laâyoune. We are pleased to announce the completion of the project. The Mohammed VI Polytechnique University Laâyoune Research Center is a national priority project led by the OCP Group and Phosboucraâ Foundation. The goal of the project is to promote economic and social development in the region, while integrating into its natural environment and adapting to it. The Technopole is made up of various complementary elements, all dedicated to research. The project includes workspaces, laboratories, and teaching facilities. The center will act as a force of change. The design is wise and humane, respecting nature and biodiversity. Our architecture is based on the site opportunities and uses the climate, the wind, the sand, and local building traditions to reach the best sustainable performance, with 80% passive energy. Simple and sober, our project will blend in with nature by respecting it and blurring the connection between the building and its environment.